his little barong-barong. Here he came with the big grin on his dear face, not knowing what I'd say or what I'd rather him play. His eyes were all big and wide, all lit up with joy and pride. His house shaped sort of ugly, odd boxes looking crumply, piled up using untied strings and scotch tape, tangled dangling in each corner. Perfection didn't matter. I don't like messes, you see. A big scrambler he can be. He loves to build things out of anything. With Legos shows his brilliance. He does it with great patience. Once his show and tell was done, here is what I told my son. Your box house may be crummy, as long as you are happy. That's all I care, my sweet little dear one.